Thank you for joining us for this webinar. During this webinar, we will walk through the technical skills students will need to compete in this competitive global market. So let's get started. Consider the following quotes. When surveyed, hiring managers believe that 87% of students are not prepared for the workforce. Excel, Office, and PowerPoint are just as important as speaking English in business. This is a direct quote from a hiring manager at a global consulting company. When surveyed, Microsoft Office skills were ranked third out of the skills by hiring managers in terms of importance. Think about that for a moment. Excel and PowerPoint are essential to compete in today's global economy. Those that are not familiar with these tools will be at a disadvantage. Clearly, proficiency with Excel and PowerPoint is a must. The students that have not mastered these skills by graduation are at a huge disadvantage. Mastering these skills take time and practice that needs to continuously happen prior to graduation. Plus, students gain more than technical skills. Utilizing these tools also reinforces problem solving and critical reasoning in students. Bridge Prep provides practical Microsoft Office lessons for students of all levels. The lessons start with the basics and continue to real-world problems. The software adapts to fit their needs and prescriptive based on insights from experts. Students will be more than prepared to compete in the global marketplace. For more information, visit us at www.bridgeprep.com or email us at info@bridgeprep.com. Thank you for joining us today. Happy learning.